In every math class that you've been in, or every calculator that you ever use, they both claim that dividing anything by 0 is undefined. However, this often leaves the student wondering why. Well, there are a bunch of ways to prove this. I found two that seem to be the best ones for people who don't really know math very well. The first one I like to call is sharing. This method consists of using the purpose of the division operator, which is splitting something into equal parts, or a distribution of something separated into equal parts. Well, that's just a formal definition. Let's try to simplify it by using an example. If I have 10 mint candies and I was kind enough to share with Sonic, keyword if I was kind enough, then I would give him 5 mints, since 10 divided by 2 is 5, which grants us both an equal amount of mints. However, if I had 10 Tootsie Rolls and nobody on Sonic team, including me, wants them, because who likes Tootsie Rolls, then I would have to divide the Tootsie Rolls by 0 people. So how much does each person get? Well, this question doesn't make any sense, like, at all. So 10 divided by 0 is undefined. The apply method. So let's say a number dividing by 0 is not undefined, and are real numbers. Okay, if we have an expression of 1 divided by 0 times 0, then the product would be 0 because anything times 0 is 0. God damn, I just said a lot of zeros in that sentence. However, if we multiply by using the regular fraction multiplying way, we would get 0 divided by 0, which could also be 1 because whenever you divide something by yourself, you always get 1. So is 1 over 0 times 0, 0 or 1? Well, we don't know. This is undefined, and both sides have a convincing argument. So we don't really know if it's 0 or 1, making it undefined. Well, that's all we had today. This was Tales of Tutor, and I am now flying off.